In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then select Open under Google. Click on Google Password Manager and select any password you wish to check by clicking on it. Now enter your current screen lock. Hit this eye icon next to your password and this way make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!